Good morning, YouTube family. This is Miss D. I've been out and about early this morning trying to get some things that I needed from the store because of the hurricanes. But we give God the glory and know that everything is going to be just fine. We got to keep our faith and know that this too shall pass. But anyway, I'm going to be making waffles. And you know Miss D like to add a little something extra to her waffles. But first, I'm going to be making my coffee in my mainstay coffee pot. So I'm going to turn my camera over to my coffee pot, and I want to show you guys just how I do it. So I have my mainstay coffee pot here. Um, so it's getting hot, 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 hot. Let me turn it around this way. You know, I showed you guys before, how I do it. I paid like 20 bucks for this coffee pot from Walmart. You put your water, about a cup of water, in your little dispenser here in the back. Then you put your pod right here. And I did a video on this. If you want to go back and check it out, you could. But this coffee pot is so easy and so convenient to use. Like, if I don't know what I'd do without it. I'm serious. Like, I had it about a year now, and it's still going strong. So you just sit your little coffee cup underneath the little dispenser where the coffee is going to come out here. So it's just brewing up. It's getting hot, 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 hot. So just wait until it gets really hot, and then it's gonna pour the coffee out. But anyway, today is just a beautiful day, no matter what, because God woke us up this morning. So we're so blessed to be here, and I just want you to be safe. So, like I said, I'm going to be making waffles. I'm going to be making a very delicious, savory waffle with my green onion and my turkey sausage. And then I'm going to be doing one with blueberries. So the blueberries, my mom, that's one of her favorite things to eat. And the blueberries are the frozen ones that I get from the Dollar Tree. They are so sweet, so delicious. You see how the coffee is going into the cup? I love a good hot cup of coffee. By the way, guys, I'm using the um, Walmart, a great value, coffee pods. See, these are the pods. They're like $4 a box. And you just stick them in the little area, the little at the top of the device right up here. I mean, you save a lot of money, making your own coffee in the morning. But sometimes if I don't have time to make it, I'll get a cup of coffee for about $2. But I'd rather make my own because it comes out so much better. There you go. Look at that. A hot cup of coffee. I think I put too much water. Well, listen. I do that sometimes. If things not perfect, I'm gonna just take it. I'm just gonna sit it down here, and that's okay. You could just take it and pour it out, pour a little off the top. But I'm gonna drink all of my coffee. Now we're gonna get started, guys. We're gonna get started on the waffle. I'm making waffles. Let me sit my hot cup of coffee over here and let my waffle maker get nice and hot. So I'm going to spray a little canola non-stick cooking spray, just a little bit, cause I still like to spray it, cause I just don't want it to stick. That's just me. You see when it light turns red, it lets you know that it's warming up, and then when it gets green, it's ready. Okay, so I have my pancake mix right here, and my little whisk. Look how cute it is, y'all. Y'all seen this before. And I'm going to stir up my pancake waffle mix that I got from Walmart. And I'm going to take my green onion and my sausage and pour it in here. Oops, I got a shaky hand this morning. And I'm going to just mix that up really well. Now, when you pour your batter into the waffle iron, just be careful you don't over pour. I do that. Let me tell you something. Nobody's perfect, okay? Sometimes I pour a little bit too much. Sometimes I don't. But anyway, that's just one of those things. So, you see how I'm doing it, guys? I have just enough batter in my waffle machine. Now, it might or it may not spill over. Hey, but that's okay. It's all good. Still going to be good. Kind of like to spread it out a little bit, guys. And I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to start on my second batter. I mixed this up already. I put lots of butter and a little vanilla extract into my batter. I gotta make sure y'all get all my butter. Yeah, I don't play when it comes to my butter, y'all. And I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit. Take a few blueberries. See, I got my blueberries here. Take a few blueberries and put in my batter. This is one of my mom's favorite recipes. You know, she loved blueberries. She's the most sweetest person I ever met in my life. No matter what kind of day you have, and still at my age, she always try to encourage you to uplift you. You know, and that's what parents are for. Even at this age, the age that I am, I always get good advice from my mom. You know, my mom, she's been around for a long time, and she got a lot of wisdom. And thank God, God keep her here for a reason. So I'm just gonna sit my batter over there, and as soon as my waffle is done, I'm gonna take a little sugar-free syrup because you know I'm a diabetic. I sure like to have some Sting's pure cane syrup. Oh, I used to love that syrup back in the day, but hey, I can't eat it anymore because it's full of sugar. And but when I could eat it, I really enjoyed it. I truly did. So I got my plate ready. Let me take a peek at it. Yay! That's so silly. I just be having fun. I love if you know. Come on, y'all, subscribe and like this video. It's fun. You know, I try to show a little variety in things that I do. So it's telling me that it's ready. Look at that, y'all. Look how beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Look. You can see the green onion in the sausage. And I'm going to sit it right here. And then I'm going to spray my waffle iron a little again. Ooh, it's very hot. And I got all of my butter in here, my blueberries. This is going to be a good a good waffle. I don't know why I keep saying pancakes. All my delicious butter. Hey, I don't play when it comes to butter, y'all. Y'all know that. And I'm close it down. Ooh, and no spills. No spills today. Check that out. If you want to know what kind of waffle iron I'm using, it's an Oster. It's an Oster waffle iron. Let me see if I can remember, y'all. I think I paid about $30 for it. $30, I think I paid for it. But it's a really good little waffle iron. It cooks really well. So I love using it, when I'm in the mood for waffles. So I got my coffee, and I'm going to add to my coffee to go with my waffle. 2 packs of Splenda. I like Splenda better than Sweet and Low. Sweet and Low leave a bitter aftertaste, and I don't like that. And then I have my coffee cream. And I'm going to get at a good stir. Mm-mm. Let me see how it tastes. Mmm, that's some delicious coffee. Delicious coffee. That coffee is so good. It's gonna go. It's gonna go so well with my waffle. Mmm. You want to take a peek and see how it's coming along? Okay. You ready? Okay. Here we go. Ooh, ooh, that's the blueberries. Mmm. You can smell the butter. I love trying different things, especially when you know that it's gonna come out really good because you put your heart and soul into things to try to make it come out right. And I love doing my show, and I love my subscribers who support my channel. I appreciate it. I really do. Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. I'm gonna press it down a little bit because I want it a little browner than what it is. I don't want it white around the edges. Nope, nope, nope. I don't like that. I hope this hurricane don't come this way because with the coronavirus and everything, then people have to evacuate. Traffic is going to be horrible, and I'm just not in the mood for that. I don't want to go spend an arm and a leg on hotels because you know what's going to happen. They're going to jack up the prices on the hotels, and a lot of times they they jack them up so high, people have to sleep in their cars. But guess what? If I ain't spending $200-300 a night on no hotel, that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to sleep in my car. That's what I'm going to do. I'm telling you, I'm keeping it real with you. Now, I don't have to sleep in the car, but I'm not going to pay $200-300 a night. That's not what I'm going to do. All right, my waffle is done. Look at that, y'all. My mama gonna love that. And I'm gonna, you know what? Sometimes I turn them over a little bit and just let it cook on that side a little bit because that's just how I am. I like certain things done a certain way. So I just wanted to make sure that it's just right for my mother. She really is the sweetest person I know. I can't go wrong with her. And I thank God that she's still here. She's such a blessing to the family. She's the matriarch of the family. She let you know how she feeling. She's very vocal about things in terms of putting you in your place if you step out of line. And that's how she's always been. And that's the person who keeps me in check. So she don't play. She don't care who it is. She'll love you to death, but she'll put you in check. Look at that, y'all. Look how beautiful. Ooh, Mama's gonna like my waffle. Mama's gonna really like that. So just a quick video as usual. But I'm gonna be back a little later on today, and I'm going to be making a really good dinner for today. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna cook 2 meals. Because the weekend is coming, God spare our lives, and I'm gonna make marinated chicken wings. Or I should say, I might change it up a little bit. I do that. Once I get in the kitchen, I kind of change things around. And I'm gonna do something really good with my meatballs, but I could change that as well. So sometimes when I get in the kitchen, I have all of these ideas. So I know it's going to be good because that's because I got it like that. I got it like that. I'm just good at what I do. That's who I am. I got confidence and know that when I do something, it's going to come out right. At least I hope so. But anyway, it's good to have confidence. So it's been a great Sunday morning. I'm going to go eat my breakfast because it's kind of late. I have to eat before I take my insulin. And I just want you to have a great day. Be careful. Stay prayed up for this nasty weather ain't in life. And until next time, or I should say later on today, I see you back then. Bye bye.